In continuation with our series on traditional Indian summer drinks, the fourth recipe is a summer favorite, nutritious and simply delicious with its juicy tropical flavor, a thirst quencher that delivers on all levels. Raw mango or green mango juice, Aam Panna, raw mango panna. You can find the link for all the episodes in the description box below. Welcome to Water Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. I have made two types of preparations from raw mangoes. One is the juice and the other is the Aam Panna Preserve, which can be kept for at least 2 months and used when required. Take 500 grams of raw mangoes, also called as Khairi, kacha aam. The sour variety will be good for this recipe. Wash the mangoes, place them in a pan, add water, switch on the flame. Traditionally, whole mangoes are cooked in water. Slow cooking helps retain the flavor and the nutrients. Allow it to boil. When the water starts boiling, close with the lid. Reduce the flame. Open in between. If required, add water. You can see the color of the mangoes changing as it is getting cooked. Keep turning the mangoes in between for even cooking. Mangoes are rich in vitamin C, B vitamins, A and folate and has healing benefits. It is also an immunity booster. When mangoes are cooked with the skin, it helps lock the nutrients. Open to check. You can see that the skin of the mango has split open. Insert a spoon to check if it is cooked. If cooked, it will be soft. It is well cooked. Allow the mangoes to cool. Strain the water and reserve the water. Once the mangoes have cooled down, remove the skin. If there is any extra flesh sticking to the skin, that can be used too. Out of the 4 mangoes, I am using 2 mangoes, that is 250 grams, for making the juice and the other 2 for the preserve. The juice is going to be prepared with jaggery. Powder the jaggery. Jaggery helps keep the stomach cool, prevents fatigue and helps give sustained energy. For 1 cup of mango pulp, 1 cup of jaggery will be required. Use half of the reserved mango water and dissolve the jaggery. Ensure that there are no lumps. Now mash the mango pulp nicely using a masher. Place the pulp on a strainer. Add the diluted jaggery. And using the back portion of a spoon or ladle, press to remove lumps and impurities. Mix well. This mango and jaggery mixture as such can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. It can be used whenever required to make the juice. To make Aam Panna or raw mango juice, dilute it with 4 glasses of water. In all, it comes up to 1 liter. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon Himalayan rock salt or Indupu, half a teaspoon of black salt or Kala Namak, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half to 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seeds powder, add mint leaves. Mix well. Pour it into glasses. Add ice cubes and serve chilled. Now for the preserve. Take the other 2 mangoes, mash it well and strain. To this add 1 teaspoon roasted cumin seeds powder, half a teaspoon black salt and 1/4 to half teaspoon Himalayan rock salt. Mix well. To a pan, add 100 grams of sugar. Add the other half of the water that has been used to boil the mangoes. Switch on the flame. Stir well until the sugar dissolves. Boil till you get 1 string consistency. Now add the mango pulp. Mix well. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes and switch off the stove. As there is no water added other than the mango boiled water, it need not be boiled for a long time and will also keep well. The consistency will also get thicker once it cools down. Allow it to cool, pour it into bottles and store in the refrigerator. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. For 1/4 glass of Aam Panna syrup, add 3/4 glass of water or according to taste. You can also add powdered cardamom, garnish with mint leaves and serve chilled. A little sweet, a little sour, a drink with much nutritional value that reduces the effects of intense heat and prevents dehydration. But not that we need any reasons to consume mangoes, do we? If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Thursday for another interesting traditional summer drink recipe.